Hi everybody, welcome back. This year will be very exciting. I'm in our new shop, with my colleagues, and this year we will start working here. Let me show you in this video some details, some stuff on building and exploring the shop. So sit back and relax and enjoy a little bit on the new shop. Behind me, Rick is painting a wall, and me and Sander are working on this new floor, this mezzanine, and let me show you. So today these walls or frames for the walls are standing up, and we are getting the spacing for the big door here and another one over there. We're getting that right. Rick is attaching some of the stuff, some of the upper parts of the wall, and we are preparing the frames for the doors, the door frames. So we made good progress on the wall frames and preparing the cladding and also the windows. Let me show you some details. So this is still a bit rough, but we're preparing the gypsum board, the plasterboard, and the reason why we use the blocking to lift the frame is that there's a steel column here which supports the mezzanine. And we need to be building around it, have a little space. And the floor is super rough, so the blocks also help leveling this out, or in some manner. And here are the windows in. This is one part of the window, and here you can see the second part of the window, which is in. And these are super tall, and we bought them as a package. These are wrongly ordered, and so we recycle them in this project here. So that's perfect. And this also fits with the design for where the walls will end and where the windows start and such. And the doors are evenly spaced around. So that's nice. And on the mezzanine floor, the flooring is in place. We can prepare it for finishing, but it's like nice and neat over this 30 meters. The walls are nicely spray painted, and this is an industrial setting, so the rough walls are perfectly okay, but it has to look like even, and then it works out right in the design. So that's cool. Today we are making a small little mezzanine for storage in the new workshop. The mezzanine is ready, and tomorrow I will check all the connections, and in the wall I'll add some more anchors and some brackets and such. But it's quick. We did it in almost a day with 2 guys, so that's quite neat for this high of a mezzanine. And there will be storage underneath and some cabinets or like open shelving upstairs. So that's cool. Thanks.